leaking intercooler system. Go ahead and see if I can get the oil to drain out of it. Pipe right here full of oil. And then also that pipe full of oil. Two pipes with oil on them. And then it up here. And there's a little nib on this side that goes right here. Well, something is broken. I don't know. It cracked off right there, the radiator. That's the part of, oh shit. That part of the radiator that broke off right there. Yeah, that part of the radiator. So, that part was cracked. This is part of the radiator. This is part of the turbo, the intercooler. And there's a little oil leaking out of it. And so I hope I ain't got no other issues with this car. Because this looks like a rabbit hole. I know that is leaking. I know that one is leaking. So the PCV system might be bad. PCV system might be bad on this car, which is a big problem. On all Chevrolet Cruisers, the Equinox, the Impalas, and the Malibu with the 1.5, 2.5 motor. So, the common mistake and misconception. I mean, they're good cars, don't get me wrong, if you got a good one. But man, I own a Cruiser. I know how bad they are. The radiator mounting bracket is cracked. Mounting tab is cracked. The intercooler is leaking oil, so that is no good. So I'm gonna clear the codes on it, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have another issue with this car. And it's gonna have some other problems. So one problem is fixed, the intercooler with all the oil in it. And the next problem gonna be something completely different. Watch. And I'm pretty sure I'm right on the money with the PVC system. I know I'm on the money with the PVC system. And the diamond part number right there. Completely legal, I'm assuming. You gotta transfer the center from this one to the other one. I'm gonna put them side by side and take a photo of this. This is what your intercooler is supposed to look like. And this is what's coming off of it. Oh man. Oh my God. I'm gonna have some issues.